Basically, what we got right here is the complete set of 1964 tops with the Mickey Mantle being the key card. We have Pete Rose's second year card. We got a nice Clemente, Maris, Cash, Mantle, K-Line, AL Bombers, Banks, Koufax, Gibson, tons of high numbers. So how it's going to work is like this. Now I bet you can hear me right now. All right, I know what I did. Give me one. All right, you guys could hear me now, I bet, right? You guys could hear me? All right, just let me know now. I just want to make sure we're all on the same page. You should be able to hear me. All right, perfect. Thanks, Jordan. All right, so basically, this is for all the new blood here. I'm just showing you guys. This is random.org, okay? So what I did was I took the list from the original contestant list. You'll see up here there's 588 entries. I just copied and pasted 4 separate times. So you'll see, right? It ends at 147, then picks back up at 1. So we have all the entries here. So for those of you that are new to this, This is random.org. It's a third-party system. We have a dice roll system in place, right? So we use 2 die, and it has to be at least a 5 or higher. So see here, we have an 8. That would be a valid roll. We would begin the giveaway, and it would randomize the list for us. And then what I would do then is paste it right here next to the checklist. So I have the checklist here. I have the key hits in yellow. And if we scroll all the way down, you'll see the high numbers from 523 all the way through 587. Those are in blue. And then the one extra Willie Horton card that we had to throw in to make it an even divisible number. So, just for an example, one more time, so we're on the same page. Dice roll 10, I would say okay. We'd go to begin the giveaway, and we would roll the dice 10 times, and whatever this final list was, we would copy and paste, and we put right over here. And that would become the new list matched up. So whatever name, so in this case, Ryan Fleck would have a Hank Aaron, Will McCovey home run leader card. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So those are your cards. Every card is there. That's the complete set. All the key cards are cased up. If you look behind the banks, for example, I have all the key cards and cases ready to go, and we will start shipping these tomorrow a.m. So is it pretty clear? Is everybody good? We all understand? All right. So before I start, I just need at least 3 people to answer. Can you hear me? Yes or no? And are we good to go? And does everybody understand the rules? There we go, David. Sounds good. One more person. Yep, Jordan. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Dice roll has to be 5 or higher. Remember that. Here we go. 6. So that's good. We're going to begin the giveaway. So that's the first roll, second roll, third roll, fourth roll, fifth roll, and this is the final roll. Boom. So I'm copying this. I'll post a verification code in the main thread. So there we go. Let's make sure it just matches up. And we're going to start from the bottom. All right, here we go. So if you take a look, these are all the high numbers. All right, let me just look for any key high numbers. Mazeroski high number going to Josh Yeager. Nice hit. Just take a look. There's a Gil Hodges high number going to Eddie Aldrine. Phil Niekro rookie going to Patrick Amrine. That's a really nice card. Minnie Minoso going to Michael Forrest Kurtz. All right, now we're going to go up towards the key cards. Anything yellow that we see, we're going to stop for. Gaylord Perry. Ryan Fleck gets a Gaylord Perry. Bob Gibson, Josh Yeager. Let's take a look at the Bob Gibson. It's a nice looking Gibson. Nice card. Switch back over. Roberto Clemente, Tyler Fox. Tyler Fox taking down the Robbie Clemente. There you go, Tyler. Clean Clemente. All right. Willie Mays, Hank Aaron, tops in the NL. Going to Peter Jones. That's a really nice card. All right. Keep going up. Warren Spahn going to Tom Mai. Orlando Cepeda, Patrick Fitzsimmons. Whitey Ford, Terry Jones. Ron Santo, Michael Forrest Kurtz. Willie McCovey, Shane Filler. Willie Stargell, Christopher Houston. That's a nice card going to Todd Casista. AL Bombers, Maris, Norm Cash, Mantle, and K-Line. Nice card there. So this set is on consignment. So these are all from the same collection. This was not put together after the fact. So this set has been supposedly in his collection for a while. Hank Aaron going to Terry Jones. Hold on, let's just go back. I'm sorry about that. Hank Aaron going to Terry Jones. Let's take a look at this Hank Aaron. Red Sox, Tony Conigliaro rookie going to Tom Mai. Juan Marichal going to Patrick Amrine. Frank Robinson going to Tom Garrison. Al Kaline going to Tom Fage. Is Kaline out there? No. Tony La Russa rookie going to Kevin Bear. And Richie Allen rookie going to Greg Bynum. Brooks Robinson going to Michael Forrest Kurtz. Roger Maris going to Mike Dumortier. Nellie Fox going to Kevin Hebert. There's a nice Sandy Koufax going to Patrick Fitzsimmons. Let's go take a look at this card. That's a nice Koufax. Harmon Killebrew going to Dennis Brennan. Duke Snyder going to Dennis Brennan. Willie Mays going to Josh Yeager. Josh doing well tonight. Let's take a look at the Mays. Really nice card. Tommy John rookie going to Michael Forrest Kurtz. Koufax strikes out 15. That's going to Chad Stewart. Mickey Lolich rookie going to Joshua Gold. And there's a nice hit for Patrick. Patrick's actually a Cincinnati Reds fan, so what a nice card for Patrick. Nice Pete Rose. Really nice card, Patrick. Let's go back. Don Drysdale. That's a nice card going to Todd Casista. Tony Oliva rookie. That's a nice card as well going to Neil P. All right, Mantl's number 50. So Nellie Fox, Harmon Killebrew, Thomas Mai. If there's nothing. All right, I'm going to skip really fast past the Mantle because we're going to save that for last. All right, Ryan Fleck takes the Koufax NL ERA leaders. Eddie Aldrine takes the Koufax Marichal, Spawn, and Maloney NL pitching leaders. Peter Jones with the Whitey Ford AL pitching leaders. Mead Hendricks with the 63 NL strikeout leaders Koufax and Drysdale. Then Eddie hits the Clemente and Hank Aaron NL batting leaders. Eddie also hits the 63 AL batting leaders with Yastrzemski and Al Kaline. Michael Forrest Kurtz takes the NL home run leaders with Aaron, McCovey, Mays, and Cepeda. James Martin takes down the AL home run leaders with Killebrew and Bob Allison. Neil P. takes down the NL RBI leaders with Aaron and Ken Boyer. And Mike Dumortier takes down the Dick Stewart, Al Kaline, Killebrew 63 AL RBI leaders. We have a Yogi Berra going to Elliot Harris. And Eddie Matthews going to Justin Koenig. And the Mickey Mantle. Do we get to Ernie Banks? Timeout. Let me type in Banks real quick because we didn't go to him. Ernie Banks is going to Eric Lorenzo. Let me switch over. Ernie Banks. It's a nice looking Banks. So we got through all these cards except the Mantle. All right. Here we go. Let's switch on back. The Mickey Mantle is going to Scott Romer. Scott Romer takes down the Mickey Mantle. Congratulations, Scott. Really nice Mantle. So one more time. Let's go through it. Let's just see if we missed any high numbers. The high numbers are worth some money. Take a look one more time, just so you could see it. We see Kevin Bear with Glenn Hobby, Ryan Fleck, Gordy Coleman, Eddie Aldrine with the AL rookies, Ed Kranepool going to Ryan Fleck, Stu Miller to Greg Bynon, Patrick Fitzsimmons, Phillies rookies, Dick Farrell going to Patrick, Amrine, Greg Bynon with the Mets rookies, Luis Aparicio, missed him. That's going to, who has that? Eddie Aldrine. Eddie Aldrine. So that concludes it. Let's just go by so everyone can take a look when this video is posted. I'm going to take a verification code and post it in the main section so everyone can see it. And I'm going to copy and paste this list as well and put it there. So that concludes it. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you for watching this. On behalf of myself, Stephen Michael, and us top tier collectibles, we really want to thank you for the opportunity to earn your business and for getting in on this break. We hope you had a great time, and we look forward to the next break with you, which will be the complete set minus a couple of the impossible cards like Honus Wagner. We'll be breaking the complete T206 tobacco set. Stay tuned because it's going down. Also, if you're going to the National, you need to stop by Red Felt Breaks. They're going to have a spot out there where they're going to be selling spots for their newest break. This is going to be their first break. They're all high end, so check them out. Greg Bynen's there. And yeah, that's it. Thank you again for tuning in, and we will talk to you soon. Catch you on the flip side, bro Tanies.